अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों, मैं आपका उस्ताद राजा गुलाम हसन खान, टीचर GMS काचम क्लस्टर मीडिया जुनकालपुरा से आपसे मुखातिब हूँ। तो प्यारे बच्चों, हमने मैथ 7वीं क्लास का आपको जो पर्सन पढ़ाया था, परसेंटेज एंड एप्लीकेशंस। तो प्यारे बच्चों, उसकी आज हम जो है एक्सरसाइज 6.2 करने जा रहे हैं। तो प्यारे बच्चों, मैंने आपको पूरा समझाया था परसेंटेज क्या होती है, हाउ वी फाइंड परसेंटेज, what is profit, what is loss, what is profit percentage, what is loss percentage, and how we can find simple interest. So we will start with today's exercise. So today's exercise is 6.2, and question in 6.2, dear students, a bookseller bought a book for rupees Rs 15 and spent rupees 5 on its binding. He sold it for Rs 24. Find its gain percent. So dear students, I have already told you how we find percentage. That is called percent. So let us start solution. Solution is purchase price of book. Price of book is equal to rupees 15. Overhead charges is equal to rupees 5. Therefore, cost CP is equal to, dear students, I have already told you in how we find percentage. What is CP? CP is the cost price. So how cost price is calculated? Cost price means on how much we this purchase thing and how much on it is extra charges, transport charges or overhead charges. That is called a cost price. That includes total cost price. So here cost price CP is equal to purchase price plus overhead charges. Overhead charges. So CP is equal to purchase price of the book. How much? Rupees Rs 15 plus overhead charges means how much he spent on it? He spent only 5 rupees for binding. That is called overhead charges to plus Rs 5. CP is equal to 15 plus 5 is equal to Rs 20. Then he sold this book on rupees for rupees Rs 20. That is called SP. SP is equal to rupees Rs 24. So how much profit he gain? Profit or gain, what we call, you call it, or gain, this is equal to SP minus CP. This is equal to how much SP? Selling price is rupees Rs 24 minus CP cost price. Cost price is Rs 20. Therefore, profit or gain is equal to 24 minus 20 is equal to Rs 4. Rs 4. He has gained rupees 4 on this book. Now we have to find gain percentage. That gain percentage. Therefore, profit percentage present is equal to, I have already told the formula of this, that is equal to gain or profit divided by CP means cost price and to 100 multiplied by 100. So this is equal to gain how much rupees for cost price, how much RS 20 and to 100. So this is equal to 4 were 20 and 200, 0, 0 cancel, 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. This is equal to 2 and 2 10, this is equal to 20. So therefore gain percent is equal to 20%. So dear students, how much gain percent is 20%. So in this way we can find how we find the gain percent. You can do other questions like this. You know the formula, and I have already told you the formula, what is percentage in its application. So dear students, you can do the whole exercise like this. Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.